Hi again, welcome back to Raycom TV. I'm here with Zachary today from Hollyland, and we're going to show you for the first time a new product that is going to be launching later on this year, but we got so excited we wanted to show you the product now. It's a bit of breakaway from the normal Hollyland products in that everything that we've sold so far has been modest kits with headset only, with no belt packs. This time we're bringing in a belt pack, we're bringing in node antennas, we're bringing in a hub. This is Hollyland going to the next stage. It's for the bigger systems, for the more complex systems and more different requirements for inputs and outputs. How did you come about this? How did we arrive here today with this product?
Well, thank you, Andy. So we actually started the project like about 2 years ago. Our previous products are kind of the entry-level products, but we're always thinking high. We want to compete with the other higher-level brands. We want to get into the market. So in the very first place, we just do some paper research, and we've done some pre-development for this product. And then we're starting going abroad, going overseas to America, to UK, to Europe, to visit more clients, key clients in big rental houses, big distributors, to collect more feedbacks and see what's the real need.
Yeah, I mean,
for
this is a typical thing of Hollyland, reaching out to the customer, to the potential customer, and asking them what they want.
Yeah.
And whereas you may think, okay, we know exactly what this product's going to look like, how it's going to be, the real gem information comes from visiting clients and saying, look, this is what we've got, how would you change it? And that's what you've taken on board, isn't it?
Yeah, and we haven't started until after 1 year of researching, and actually also take a long time for us to do the whole development. We've done the design, we've done the circuit development, we also made our own software, and we even made a cell phone app for the whole system.
Yeah, so there's a lot of people working on this, from what I understand. Zachary was saying yesterday that in Hollyland, their R&D team is 300 people.
Yeah.
Not all 300 working on this system. There's a lot of other new things coming along as well.
Yes.
But 300 dedicated guys. I think you've got 60 in your team, was it?
Yes.
So there's 60 people working on this all the time, trying to meet the customers' desires, demands, and come up with new ideas themselves. This is why it's so exciting. We're not going to go and do a deep dive today and take you through all the features and functions. That will come in a couple of months' time. This product is due to launch mid-year. But just to show you the key components, obviously the start-off point is the belt pack. It's neat, it's small, it's not too heavy. We've looked at all the ways that we can improve the current belt pack at this kind of level. Lovely bright screen, nice, easy to read functionality on there. I'm desperate to go into the functions, but we're going to leave it for now. You can clip mount it, you can have it around your neck. There's all sorts of different funky things you can do with it. Most of this product is 3D printed.
Yeah,
a lot of it is 3D printed. The eventual product is going to be rubberized. It's going to be matte finish, of course, in black as always. But a nice, neat, easy to use belt pack. And then the headsets themselves, I will tell you that noise cancellation is built in, which is built into all the Hollyland products. But a very comfortable headset. And we noticed yesterday that this whole thing, all the components of the headset are easily replaceable. If your headband is starting to get a bit worn, you can literally take it off, pop another headband in. You can take the muffs off, put those on, the arms come away. It's very durable anyway, but then it's got some life on it.
It's just we've been paying a lot of attention to the details where people has been complaining, and we really want to improve this situation.
Yeah, meet the needs, answer the questions, which is what you guys are good at. And then you have the aerial or the node or whatever you want to call it. But this is like a little sort of small hub system that takes a number of headsets, and then you can have a number of these nodes or aerials that then work with the hub. And the hub is where you really bring in the interaction with
other devices.
The rest of the world, if you like.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, just quickly, how many sort of connections have you got on the back there?
Well, we got 6 channels of 4-wire connections and 2 channels of 2 wires. And we got a preset audio interface and a 4-in, 4-out Dante interface. And we also
Dante,
got
that's important. That's Dante's in there on the product.
Yeah, we also got some standard like GPIO and fiber ports, and also our digital port for our interconnection of the nodes. So basically all you need from...
Plenty of interconnection.
Yeah.
And then obviously this is a relatively complex system now.
Yeah.
How do you set the whole thing up? I mean, it's done, there's a online or a web-based matrix system that you can...
So we've been developing multiple ways to set up the whole thing. So firstly, the most traditional way is to use a web setting page. So you use an Ethernet cable to connect to a laptop and do the setting. We also provide you with a wireless solution. For example, we put Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in the nodes and also in the hub. So you can wirelessly connect to the system using a laptop or even a cell phone to remotely configure the whole system.
Yeah, so lots of flexibility. This seems to be the key point on this product is flexibility.
Yeah.
Lots of capability, but flexible ways of using it as well, which we recognise as what the market wanted. And one of the key things, and this is something that's been quite close to my heart, is that the cost of comm systems traditionally are
it's been quite high.
Unbelievably expensive.
Yeah.
We've never really understood why comms is so expensive, and I think we've gone a long way with the Solidcom C1 Pro and the roaming hub to say you can have a good, capable comms product that suits your needs at that time
with a fair price.
At a fair price, at not a silly price, and I can tell you that this product is going to carry on that principle.
Yeah.
We're not going to start referencing people, but at the end of the day, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised at the affordable cost of what is going to be a very professional solution. Okay, so that's a brief introduction to the product. There's going to be a lot more information, a real deep dive in a few months' time when the product launches. We look forward to bringing that for you. Zachary, thanks very much for coming over to the UK and listening to what we've got to say.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for watching Raycom TV. Be proud of your sound.